Welcome to Health Tech with another video. If you consume fresh and hygienic meat continuously for an extended period, here are some effects it may have on your body. Protein intake. Meat is a rich source of protein, which is essential for various bodily functions. Consuming adequate protein helps with muscle development, tissue repair, hormone production, and enzyme synthesis. However, an excessive intake of protein from meat alone for a prolonged period may put strain on your kidneys and may lead to potential kidney-related issues. Nutritional deficiencies. While meat provides essential nutrients like iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and certain amino acids, relying solely on meat may lead to deficiencies in other important nutrients. A balanced diet should include a variety of food groups to ensure you receive all the necessary vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other beneficial compounds that are found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other plant-based foods. Digestive issues. High meat consumption may cause digestive issues, particularly if it lacks dietary fiber. Fiber aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Without sufficient fiber from other sources, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, you may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, irregular bowel movements, and a higher risk of developing digestive disorders. Fat and cholesterol intake. Depending on the type of meat you consume, it can be high in saturated fat and cholesterol. A diet high in saturated fat and cholesterol may increase your risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart disease and high blood pressure. It is important to choose lean cuts of meat and balance your overall fat intake with healthier fats from plant-based sources. Microbiome and gut health. A diet heavily focused on meat may impact the diversity and composition of your gut microbiome. A healthy and diverse gut microbiome is essential for overall well-being and has been linked to various aspects of health, including immune function, mental health, and metabolism. Including a variety of plant-based foods can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Nutrition. Meat is a valuable source of high-quality protein, which provides essential amino acids necessary for building and repairing tissues in the body. It is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining overall health, supporting immune function, and promoting proper growth and development. Culinary versatility. Meat is a versatile ingredient used in a wide range of culinary preparations. It can be grilled, roasted, stewed, braised, or stir-fried, offering a variety of flavors, textures, and cooking methods. Different cuts of meat lend themselves to specific cooking techniques, allowing for diverse and delicious meals. Flavor enhancement. Meat can add depth and richness to dishes, enhancing their overall flavor profile. Its savory taste and umami qualities contribute to the complexity of many recipes, making it a popular ingredient in various cuisines around the world. Traditional and cultural significance. Meat holds cultural and traditional significance in many societies. It plays a central role in festivals, celebrations, and special occasions. For example, Eid al-Adha, as mentioned earlier, involves the sacrifice and distribution of meat as part of a religious tradition. Source of energy. Meat is a concentrated source of energy due to its macronutrient content. The presence of protein, fats, and carbohydrates provides the body with readily available energy, making it an important component of a balanced diet for individuals with high energy requirements, such as athletes or those with physically demanding occupations. Source of essential nutrients. Meat, especially red meat, is a significant source of iron, a mineral essential for oxygen transport and proper red blood cell function. It also contains vitamin B12, which is crucial for neurological health and the formation of red blood cells. These nutrients are particularly important for individuals at risk of deficiencies, such as vegetarians or individuals with certain medical conditions. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Health Tech.